We are just now leaving the car shop, the repair shop, and that guy says, he says there's nothing wrong with it that he can tell. He said it's not making the noise now. Ever since they rotated the tires at free service, they want some lightning. And he said if it makes the noise again, bring it back. But it isn't making it, and that just burns me up that they were wanting to charge us all that money.
Oh, I'd about call them, Mike.
And, you know, and that's not what it was.
If we had gone straight with them, we'd have been putting out $1,300 and some dollars for struts that we didn't need.
I know. He pushed up and down on above every tire, and he said if the struts were bad, it would keep like bouncing, you know, bouncing up and down like, and it didn't. He said there's nothing wrong with your struts, but if we need anything fixed, we're gonna bring it out to this guy. It's a little ways away, but look how much we just saved by coming out here, you know. And some of these places will obviously rip you off, you know, if you don't get you a second opinion. So that's another thing I would say, is get you a second opinion if someone says something's wrong with your car. You know, I wouldn't have thought it of a big, you know, chain car place, but you never know, you know. We'll still take this car there if we need tires, and you have lifetime rotation there where we got the tires at free service. So we'll take it there when they need rotated, and I don't know if we'll take it there to have the oil change, because the way it looks, it doesn't have to have synthetic oil. Of course, synthetic oil is good, but it's more expensive, you know. So I'm gonna put this over here since it's raining a little. But we haven't filmed out this way in a long time. This is where this is the area we used to take Logan to his therapy in. When a storm's coming in, there's a thunderstorm warning.
There's a tornado warning.
We had tornado warning. That's right. And I looked on the radar a few minutes ago, and it looks pretty bad. So we were going to stop at the Dollar Tree here in this area, but it's already starting to rain, and it looks like it's going to get bad. So we don't want to stop and then come out and it be pouring the rain. Have to put our stuff in the car and all that. So we're just going to go home. Now, if it looks like we're going really fast, the speed limit is 55 down through here.
I'm going 55. It's out 50-30.
Yeah, so I mean, we're not. You know, the speed limit is 55. We're doing 53.
And this truck's going to go up a lot.
It's really an optical illusion. Whenever it looks like we're going really fast. I can't film out the front because it's starting to really rain. Some nice places. Look at that place there. Yep. We were there for quite a while. We had to wait until he was done working on this woman's car before he would check ours. And that's fine, you know. It was worth the wait, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
But like I said, he said if it starts making that noise again, just come on back out and we'll check it. But as far as he could tell, you know, he said that nothing needs repaired. Hope it doesn't get real bad.
He gets random at first, that's right.
There's some old cabins up there. This place is called Winged Deer Park. And they've got some old cabins from like the 1800s on the property. It's really a big recreation area. See, it says Winged Deer Park. Got a lot of softball fields up there that they play softball. There's some up here, you can see all the lights. Now, this is where we used to take Logan.
Yep.
Right in there. This used to be all farmland and stuff up through here. It's getting all kinds of businesses and stuff. It's growing. This is the edge of our city. He asked if it had been bouncing when we drive it too, and I said, no, it never does that. And then he pushed each one, and he said, if it was the struts, this thing would like keep bouncing. It wouldn't just stop. This used to be an old flea market. At one time. Yep. I don't know, if we were to stop somewhere, it might start raining hard in there.
I'm supposed to just go on and they just have their own get out.
Slow down now, you.
Go, dude. You're welcome.
That's a nursing home up there. Places, wood-fired pizza, rocks, Papa John's. It's not quit here though. It's not raining bad now. Not here anyway. I looked at the radar and it looked pretty bad. Well, Subarus are nice, but they're very expensive.
Yeah, they're good cars.
They're good ones. We had one, just a little two-door coupe. Oh God, what year was that thing? About a 78 or something, Joy? And
no, because we got married in 77.
I think it was about that, Joy, when we got it, when we were first married. Or not long after. Anyway, we had a little one, Subaru. It was only $3,500.
Oh yeah.
When we bought it, brand new. And I remember complaining about our payment was like $99 a month. I remember we used to complain about it. Oh, that payment's too high. Good grief. That thing lasted us. I bet we had that car. Oh God, Joy.
30-some years.
No, not that many. Maybe 20 some years, I'd say we had that car. And what happened was, finally the floorboard in the back started rusting out. I guess from salt and stuff over every winter. And it ended up with a hole back there. And then, you know, the carbon dioxide or whatever from the exhaust would start coming in there, make you feel about half sick. You have to roll the windows down. So I finally just sold it to one of my friends for something like, I don't know, $150 or something like that. It was a good car. See the mountains up this way. So needless to say, we're pretty relieved.
Oh yeah.
You know, we just need to pay attention and see if we ever hear it anymore. I think it had something to do with them rotating the tires or something, and maybe that, like he said, that there was some kind of dust shield or something. Maybe it had buildup on it or something. I don't know. And when they changed it, maybe it took care of it. But we've been driving it without the radio on, and we can't hear it.
I'll get on it anyway.
So it was well worth the trip.
Yeah, it was.
It's Kroger. Do you want to stop at Dollar Tree? It doesn't look like it's raining right now.
That's true. Yeah, rain's just water.
Well, yeah. We're out in this area, may as well.
Oh, thank you, Lord Jesus.
Yep. We sure were praying about it. I know a lot of y'all were praying about it. We appreciate it very much.
Yeah, we do.
Because it definitely was making a noise. I mean, you could hear it. It was a
It sounded
scraping.
like a pipe pen out in the wind.
Not quite that loud, but I mean, it was.
No, not that loud, but it was about that kind of a sound.
I think something was up with it, but when they did the rotation, it must have took care of it somehow. Okay, I think we're going to end this for now. We're going to Dollar Tree. It's right up here. So, everybody, hope you enjoyed this out and about with Mike and Joy. We're glad we got some good news. Thanks for watching.
And we'll
Please
talk
press
with
the
you
like
later.
button. Press the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you get all our videos as soon as they come out. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
Bye-bye.